Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I hope you are doing well. Today, inshallah, we should start daily Arabic sentence in English. So, welcome to our daily journey of exploring the Arabic language. Through this series, we will be reciting a new Arabic sentence each day, delving into its meaning, grammar, and culture context. Okay, so first of all, inshallah, we should learn an introduction to this series. So this series is designed for learner of all level, from beginners to those seeking to expand their Arabic knowledge. We will break down each sentence step by step, making it easy to follow and understand. So we have four steps. First one, learn Arabic naturally. Immerse yourself in the language by learning through authentic example, like we taking authentic example which easy and which we used mostly in our society. Second one, we have enhance vocabulary, expand your Arabic vocabulary with new words and phrases. Third one, master grammar. Develop your understanding of Arabic grammar and sentence structure. Like, first of all, we learn about grammar and then we make sentence in the light of grammar. Okay, fourth one, explore culture. Discover the richness and diversity of Arabic culture through its language. Okay, so how we make the sentence of every day, and every day how we use this sentence in our daily life. Okay, so each day we will present a new Arabic sentence chosen for its relevance and common usage. We will provide the sentence in Arabic script and its English translation. Okay, so we have three steps for that, like how we use the Arabic sentence in daily life. First one, Arabic script, mean the sentence in its original Arabic scripts. Okay, like this sentence wrote in Arabic in original script. Next one, English translation or Urdu translation or Farsi translation, the accurate English translation of the sentence. Okay. Next one, pronunciation guide, audio pronunciation of the sentence for better comprehensions. Okay, and next tool we have practice and exercises. Practice and exercises. To reinforce your understanding, we will provide practice exercises based on the day's sentences. These activities will help you apply your new knowledge in practical way, mean in practical life. Okay, so we have also in this step we have 4 points. First one, quizzes, like test your understanding with multiple choice question. Third one, okay. Second one, conversation practice. Use the sentence in role play scenarios. Translation exercise. Practice translating sentence from Arabic to English or from Arabic to other language. Okay. Next one, we have writing activities. So craft your own sentence using the new vocabulary. Mean like every day you use new vocabulary and enhance your mind and enhance your knowledge. Okay. Okay, so in last we have useful resources which we use, and so then inshallah we will able for Arabic conversation and for Arabic writing everywhere, inshallah. Okay, so further enhance your learning, we will recommend intentional resources such as websites, apps, and online dictionaries. Okay, so we have first one, Arabic language learning website. First of all, like we use the website which made specially for Arabic language, not for other language. Okay. Second one, we have online dictionaries and translation tools. Like we find dictionaries and website and then we translate the words. Okay. So also we can able for conversation and for writing, and everywhere we can speak easily. Okay. Third one, we have Arabic language learning apps. Like a lot of apps available, especially in Play Store and Google Chrome, and also in other browser. Okay. Last one, we have Arabic language broadcast and videos. Like we first of all, like if we learn Arabic language, so first of all we see a lot of broadcast on YouTube, on Facebook, on Instagram, and also we see there a lot of videos to related Arabic language. So then inshallah ta'ala we can able for conversation in Arabic, inshallah. Okay. So I hope inshallah ta'ala everyone see this video. So I request at the last, if you wanna Arabic language from beginner, so inshallah I'm available and you can visit to my channel, so you can see there a lot of videos and a lot of broadcasts which related to your field. Okay, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.